Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I am surprised by some of the facets of this whole question. Full stop. The Honorable Minister has tried to defend a totally indefensible matter. Full stop. There is a jumble of statistics given. Some figures are quoted as to how many have graduated from a college which does not have a campus, a hostel, a library, a clinic. Full stop. There are no facilities. Full stop. The college has been moving from one place to another. Full stop. It is a mythical college, a college on paper. Full stop. It is producing graduates in a subject as important as medicine, and the Honorable Minister says there is no difficulty. Full stop. He says that it has functioned for several years. Full stop. I would submit that this is an wrong assertion to make. Full stop. It is incredible. Full stop. If this were the case, if hostels, research facilities, clinics, libraries, none of these were necessary in medical colleges, and if without these you can have graduates, then why have this facade of a medical college? Question mark. Why don't you go through this ad hocism in all institutions and produce graduates? Question mark. It is an indefensible situation. Full stop. Nowhere in the world, I think, would be able to find an example to match this example. Full stop. Paragraph change. The minister in his statement said that because there were more pre-medical students, therefore it became necessary to create a medical college. Full stop. So this was the genesis. Full stop. But why were there more pre-medical students? Question mark. Was there no planning? Question mark. You create a medical college because you have created a surplus of pre-medical students. Full stop. How do you create a surplus? Question mark. Do you create it in the air? Question mark. One would hope that the Honorable Minister would go beyond the routine of cooking up figures and statistics to defend an indefensible case. Full stop. I would request the Honorable Minister to let me know how much has been spent on this mythical college during the last 10 years, full stop. How much money have we spent in the last 10 years on this college without any hostel, without any library, and without any research unit? And how much do we intend spending in the next 4 or 5 years? Full stop. When will this college come to function as a medical college? Question mark close.